Windows are an essential component of your home, offering natural light, ventilation, and protection from the elements. However, over time, even the most durable windows can start to show signs of wear and tear, especially in a climate like Nampa's, which experiences hot summers, freezing winters, and varying levels of humidity. If your windows are showing any of the following signs, it may be time to consider a window replacement for your Nampa home. Replacing outdated or damaged windows can improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal, ultimately saving you money in the long run. Drafts and temperature inconsistencies. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need to be replaced is if you feel drafts or temperature inconsistencies in your home. If you notice cold air coming through your windows in the winter or warm air seeping in during the summer, this indicates that the seals around your windows are no longer effective. In Nampa, where winter temperatures can drop well below freezing and summers can soar over 90 degrees Fahrenheit, properly sealed windows are crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Drafty windows can make your heating and cooling systems work harder to regulate the temperature inside your home, leading to higher energy bills. If you're experiencing significant drafts or fluctuating indoor temperatures, it's time to consider replacing your windows with more energy-efficient options. Condensation between glass panes. If you see condensation or fog between the glass panes of your double or triple-paned windows, this is a clear sign that the window's seal has failed. This condensation occurs when the seal breaks and moisture gets trapped between the panes, leading to unsightly fog and reduced insulation performance. In Nampa's climate, where the temperature difference between indoors and outdoors can be significant, a broken seal compromises your window's ability to insulate effectively. If your windows are fogging up between the panes, they're no longer providing the energy efficiency and comfort you need, and a replacement is in order. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that are difficult to open, close, or lock are not just an inconvenience, they could also be a safety hazard. Windows that are jammed or misaligned can create security concerns by making it harder to secure your home properly. Additionally, if your windows are hard to operate, it could be a sign that the window frames are warping due to age or water damage, which can lead to further structural issues if not addressed. In Nampa, where extreme weather conditions can put added pressure on your home's exterior, it's crucial to have windows that open and close smoothly, especially in case of an emergency. If your windows are malfunctioning, it's time to look into replacing them. High energy bills. If you've noticed a steady increase in your energy bills despite keeping your heating and cooling usage consistent, your windows could be to blame. Old, inefficient windows allow heat to escape in the winter and let hot air in during the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. In Nampa, where temperatures can vary dramatically from season to season, energy-efficient windows are essential for keeping utility costs under control. If your windows are outdated, replacing them with modern, energy-efficient options can make a significant difference in your home's energy performance and your monthly expenses. Visible damage or wear. If your windows have visible cracks, chips, or other signs of damage, it's not just a cosmetic issue, it's a safety concern. Damaged windows can compromise your home's security by making it easier for intruders to break in, and they may also let in moisture, which can lead to water damage and mold growth inside your home. In Nampa, where winter storms and fluctuating temperatures can cause rapid wear and tear on exterior surfaces, regular maintenance is key. If your windows are showing significant signs of damage, it's best to replace them before the issue worsens. Outside noise disturbances. Are you noticing more outside noise than usual, even when your windows are closed? Older windows, especially single-pane windows, have poor soundproofing capabilities, allowing outdoor noises, such as traffic, lawnmowers, or neighborhood activity, to disturb the peace inside your home. In Nampa, where homes are often in proximity to busy streets or farming areas, noise pollution can be a significant issue. Upgrading to double or triple pane windows with noise-reducing features can greatly improve the sound insulation in your home, creating a quieter and more peaceful living environment. Increased maintenance. If you're spending more time and money on repairing or cleaning your windows, it may be time to invest in replacements. Older windows often require constant maintenance to keep them functioning properly. Wooden windows, in particular, may require regular painting and sealing to prevent rotting or warping, especially in the humid summer months or during wet winter weather. If you're constantly maintaining your windows just to keep them in working order, it might be more cost-effective to replace them with low-maintenance, durable options like vinyl or fiberglass windows. Conclusion. If you're noticing any of these signs in your Nampa home, it's a good indication that your windows may need to be replaced. Upgrading your windows can boost energy efficiency, enhance security, reduce maintenance, and improve the overall comfort and appearance of your home. Given the region's extreme weather conditions, investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows can be a smart choice that will save you money in the long run while ensuring that your home stays comfortable year-round. If you're unsure whether it's time for a window replacement, consulting with a professional can help you assess your options and make the best decision for your home.